welcome back to Fun Time. Today I'll be teaching you guys a simple craft called Cube in a Star. Let's get started. So for this craft we'll be needing 3 strips of paper, which is 2 centimeters and 28 centimeters. All the 3 measure the same, as you can see. I'm using green, purple and blue. You can use any color you want, and let's start. Start by folding each of the strips in half like so. Try to make it as clean as possible, guys. 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 strips, and next what you're gonna do is take 2 strips. Let's take this tool, put this one aside, pass one to another like this. See? Like this. Put it so the creases like this form an upside down L, and fold like this. So it's on this side you can't see the purple, on this side you can see the purple, but this side you can see blue. So just kind of interconnected. And next what you're gonna do is take the top one, which is like this, and fold like this around. So 1, fold it around like this. And while you're folding it, crease tight, even though we'll crease it a little. Sometimes you can observe that the strip will be a little longer, like at least just a small bit longer. It's okay, leave it and fold that also. Don't cut it, guys. Now open it up and release from here. You can simply just pull it down, and you're gonna again crease it so it's nice and tight. Because we want our creases to be nice and visible, so it is easier to do the craft. So we can just fold it like so, and these parts will get a little longer. It's totally fine. And now you're just gonna repeat it with all the 3. For what you're gonna do for this one, what you're gonna do is do the same method. Put this in and close this up. You're gonna do the exact same method on the top, like this. Just kind of fold it, fold. But what you're gonna do this time is also fold it like this. So you can make 2 of them. Now it will just look like a sandwich between both of them. And you can open it up. Simple. Release this. And of course, just like this, we can tie it real quick. So once you're done with that, you'll get like small curls like this, and we can start our craft. So first, what you're gonna do is take the strips. I'm taking purple and blue because I want that as my base. And what you're gonna do, put this one on the top, okay? Take one color, put the strip on top, and open this one. Make sure you know where the middle is, and put it in a 3rd square. Like this. 1, first one, second one, and put it on 3rd one. Lay flat. You can use a heavy object like an eraser to make it lay flat. And take your green, and you're gonna pass it so it's on this 3rd square. 1, 2, and 3rd square. We have to put it on this square. Open it, slide it in, and fold it in half. So put it on the 3rd square. Make sure you guys got it nice and good. And now comes the tricky part. You're going to take this up on your hand. You have to hold them 3 together nice and tight. And what you're going to do is pass this one through this hole right here. See? Open this up and pass it through. And now you're just going to pull up everything. And you're just going to push on this point so the shape which is going to form now is going to be facing towards you. So just kind of tighten all of them up. Just tighten, tighten it nice and good. And you get something like this. See? You got one color on the bottom, one color on the side, and another one here. So now we're just going to make another. So this is just one part of a cube. We have a missing part, so we'll do the missing part now. So your strands will look like this. One on the top, this one slip in on your left, and it should lie flat on your right. And start by putting this down, and you're just gonna get the last crease right here and place it on the bottom like this. Okay guys? And now you're just gonna wrap this one around. Wrap it till it's there. And you're gonna pass this one through the slit. And like last time, pull everything together. So we'll just pull everything together. And we got ourselves a nice looking cube. Now we can just kind of push it in to get the cube, and we got our cube. But now we got the cube, but you guys might be thinking, where is our star? So this part will be making the star. So take one strand, fold it down like this, make a diagonal crease, open, and folds down like this. Now you can just emphasize this part a bit. Fold this like this, and see the bottom? Fold it like that, and fold this on top. And you can slide this right under. And we got this point right here. Next, after you're done with this, turn over. Take this another strand. You're gonna repeat the same steps. Fold down, crease here, open, fold like this. But this time what you're gonna do, you don't need to fold this inwards and all. You just need to slide this underneath. If you find it difficult, yeah, you can fold this part a little bit in. And you can just do this and slide this under. We got two points, and now you're just gonna repeat the whole thing. So let's do that real quick, guys. So once you guys are done, you'll get something like this. A star, 6-pointed star, which has a cube inside. If you turn it over, you got another one. So, of course, you might think, is this just for a decoration? No, guys, you can even play with it. I'll show you how. So with this one, you can make a cool spinner. Hold it in the top and the bottom, just like that. Make sure you find sturdy points, which are very sharp. Don't find ones which are bendable. Otherwise, when you hold it, it'll fall. So take sturdy points, and inside these holes, make sure this is facing you. Inside these holes, you're gonna blow. So as you can see, naturally you can spin it. So if you blow it, and make sure you're holding it nice and like light, and if you blow it, it's going to start spinning. You need a little practice. It just went flying, but if you practice, you can get it. Okay, you just need to find the correct pressure. So let's just hold it like so. As you can see, just spin for some time on my hand. Okay, some points will not be as strong as the other. I like this points. As you can see, it holds, and it's just super fun. As you can see, it stayed in my hand, and this is a very cool decoration. If you can, you could just hang it up by putting a little hole right here, attaching a thread to it, and if you just hang it anywhere, it looks really cute. And hope you guys can come up with a better color combination. But yeah guys, I hope you love this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Fun Time. Bye guys, see you in the next video.